All right, my hair's all messy. Okay, I wanted to give you a brief look at KastKing's new division's MadBite, and this is their bass tackle kit. So, try to keep this short and brief and keep it to the things I think are really good value for everybody. So, let's get the camera down. All right. So, first things here, you've got a really good selection, over 50 plastics. Now, I'll give you some of my favorites. You can't go wrong with pumpkin or watermelon black fleck Senkos. So this has got really good movement. Really good movement. Woohoo! Imagine that being a wacky rig. So really nice. You get 10 of those, which is awesome. So, I mean, look at that. This is awesome. I love the lizard, or the salamander, or whatever you want to call it. Look at it is green, but look at the fire, the red fleck in there. I mean, this is really, and they've got sort of a ridge back to it. Really nice. I love that. My favorite thing in there, I know it's kind of weird, are the tubes. It's red with all sorts of specks in it. I mean, a lot of good trails on it. I mean, this is a really cool tube. You get 10 of these babies, too. You only get 4 of those lizards, which, yeah. And then this is a finesse. I love the chartreuse. I mean, this is really nice with black flecks. It's got sort of it sort of has an hourglass look like most finesse do. Very nice. You get 10 of these, and my goodness, who doesn't love a Senko? Or, I mean, not a Senko, but a Ned rig. This is actually green. I don't know if you can see that. If you can see it. It's actually green with red and black and different colors flecks. That, and look at it. It's like, that'll be perfect. Senko. So the plastics alone are worth the money. These things, you get a 1 coupon per customer right now. It's 60% off. It's a $29.99 box, so you get it for $12. I know it. So you get 2 hard baits. So you get a jerk bait, which is really nice. I love the chartreuse black and green. Really nice relief on the scales. You get a lipless jerk. All right. So really nice. And I love the fact they went with a flat top on it and a flat. This will give it a lot more action. Bobber stoppers, love it. Something I've never used and I always wanted to. It's drop shot weights. It's a drop shot weight. Very cool. Split shot weights. You get 2 different types of jig heads. So both unpainted and one much larger than the other. So these will work great. Put tubes on that. And a great selection of offset and extra wide gap hooks, as well as bait holding hooks. And these actually are really, really sharp, the offsets. So, and then if you like to use the brass swivels, you got brass swivels there too. Plenty. Lots of bobber stoppers. If you watch a video of mine on drop shotting, I use bobber stoppers, and I do have a trick to keep it for better hook sets by looping it, the line through your hook twice. So this is 187 pieces, over 50 soft baits, 2 hard baits, lots of hooks. You always need hooks, and lots of weights, which you always need weights. This is from MadBite, $29.99, 60% off right now, $12, and you get a little survey thingy. Your opinion matters. You get to choose between 4 items, 2 of the better ones, a $10 and a $15 Amazon gift card. Boom. $2 or free. You make $3 on it. That is a really good deal. They have bass, trout, and panfish right now. Another one coming out. Really looking forward to it. And they have 2 terminal tackle kits too. Again, put it all on one invoice. Use that 60% off on it, and do the opinion matters. You don't be out any money. I mean, to be honest, you can actually make a buck. But for $29.99, there's over $50 worth of stuff in this box. So even at $29.99, it is a great deal. But take advantage right now, today, the 60% off. And you will get not only a great deal, but an astronomical deal. Yes, I'm going to do a fishing challenge with this. I'm going to use just this box on a very soon fishing expedition. So thank you. Keep your lines tight. Please subscribe and like below. And please check out the link below too. And have fun. We'll see you out on the water.